Hey there, AI Insiders family. Today, we've got a super fun tutorial on creating custom avatars using MidJourney. This AI-powered tool is easy to use and the results are amazing. So let's jump right in. First things first, join the MidJourney Discord server to access the tool through MidJourney commands. We've left a link in the description for you. Find a cool image reference for your custom avatar. The clearer and more detailed, the better. To upload your image reference, simply drag and drop it into the Discord chat. Once uploaded, right-click the image thumbnail and select Copy Link to get the image URL. Now, let's submit your image reference to MidJourney using the Imagine command. Paste your image URL. With your image reference submitted, it's time to get creative and bring out your inner superhero. Write a descriptive prompt for MidJourney, inspired by the Marvel style, like this: a powerful superhero with a red and gold suit, equipped with high-tech gadgets and flying through the city skyline. Remember, you can always customize the prompt to include your favorite Marvel elements or even design a completely unique superhero. The possibilities are endless. Submit your crafted prompt. Check out the generated image. If it's not perfect yet, tweak your prompt or image reference and try again. Love your custom avatar? Download it and show off your new digital persona everywhere. There you have it, a fun custom avatar in minutes, thanks to MidJourney. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more AI awesomeness. Catch you next time.